Hello, thank you for watching. If you could like this video or subscribe or leave a comment, I'd appreciate very much. Thank you very much for watching. So what we're mixing now is a bucket of water, and I'll throw a bucket of duffing, and I'll throw a bag of cement onto this. It basically stops the cement sticking to the sides, and you need less water in, because it can get quite a bit uneven. Okay, after mixing that up, I lift it right to top and turn it off so I can fill it with a sand filler. I'll let it right down now so the angle of it changes for a better mix, and I'll put it going. So we've been mixing concrete today. I've found out with that, the filler in, concrete mixer filler, is I started to use it. I put water in, then I dumped that, then I put the cement in. But the cement it didn't like to mix really, and needed to put more water, have it more wet to have it mix. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting the water in, then the cement in, getting that into a sort of slurry, then you call it. Then I'm putting in, and it mixes good then. And as well, I've started to throw like a bucket of that in first. So basically, the cement goes on the sand then, and it stops it from sticking around, and you don't need as much water when to clean the sides, when you can say. And it makes it sort of bulks the water up, so instead of being sort of down there, bulks it up to halfway, so it doesn't stops the sand from sticking to the front one. So I've found a technique to get it to mix good, and you can have a dry mix as well as a wet mix if you want. So that's it really. We've been repairing the road then. With the winter, it's been washing away a chunk of our road, so we've gone at it now to repair it. Thing is, where water runs, when we find when concrete lasts a lot better than tarmac. Just cast some posts as well now, while the mixer was dirty one. So one hanging and two for latches. And if there's interest on the tractor, it's I think it's like a 1957-58 Mark II Forza Major, has live drive as well as option. So yeah, and it has a taco, rev clock as well. Well, there's an optional extra as well on these. But funny enough, it has options, two options on it, but it has the bare basic seat on it instead of a one with cushion. So yeah, the priority is a bit, well, we could have spent a couple of extra quid when new anyway.